The 2024 Chevy Trax Infotainment system has several common issues that owners frequently encounter. These include black screens, no sound output, system freezes, and connectivity problems with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. These problems often stem from software glitches, electrical system fluctuations, memory overflow from cached data, hardware connection issues, or temperature-related malfunctions in extreme weather conditions. Start troubleshooting with a soft reset. With the vehicle running, press and hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until the system completely shuts down. Then press the power button again to restart. If the soft reset doesn't work, try a hard reset. Turn off the vehicle completely, remove the key, wait 5 minutes, then disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 minutes before reconnecting and restarting the vehicle. For audio-specific problems, systematically check your volume and mute settings across all audio sources, verify the correct audio sources selected, test different audio inputs to isolate the problem, and check individual speaker balance in the audio settings. For Bluetooth connectivity problems, delete all paired devices from both your phone and the vehicle, clear the Bluetooth cache on your smartphone, and then repair the devices following the proper sequence. This resolves most connectivity issues. These basic troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of common infotainment issues in the 2024 Chevy Trax. Start with the soft reset, progress to the hard reset if needed, and address specific audio or Bluetooth problems with targeted solutions. When basic resets fail to resolve your infotainment issues, a factory reset may be necessary. This more comprehensive solution clears all cached data and returns the system to its original state. If the factory reset doesn't work, the next step is checking your vehicle's fuses. Blown fuses are a common cause of infotainment system failures and can be easily replaced. Software updates are highly effective, resolving roughly 70% of reported infotainment problems. GM releases these updates quarterly to address bugs and improve system performance. If problems persist after trying these advanced fixes, or if you notice physical damage to the screen, or if safety functions like the backup camera are affected, it's time to contact a Chevrolet dealer for professional assistance. Your infotainment system is covered under a basic 3-year or 36,000-mile warranty with extended coverage available for electronic components. To prevent future issues, keep your software updated and avoid exposing your vehicle to extreme temperatures when possible.